at the formula that we would need. P, the principal amount, is $1,200. R, the interest rate, is 8%. And T, the time, is 15 years. So for number 19, interest equals principal times rate times time. So if we put this together, that would be the principal amount is $1,200. The interest rate is 8%, so 0.08. And then the time is 15 years. So if we multiply these together, we're going to get the amount of interest that was earned. Also, before we even start into this, read the question itself. How much interest will you earn? All they want is the interest. We are not going to add it to the total to find a balance. So I'm just going to multiply these three numbers, and that will give me the answer that I'm looking for just the interest. So if we do 1,200 times 15, and I'm not going to work the whole thing out for the interest of time, but it gives you 18,000. So we would get 18,000, but then we need to take that number times the decimal 0.08, and that's where we get our 1,440. That means that over 15 years, in an account like this, you get 8% every year for 15 years, but it's simple interest. It's always 8% of what you started with. Over 15 years, that would add up to be another $1,440. So over 15 years, you have earned more money than you put in the first place. So please make sure that you have the formula that you need. You will need this formula for 2 different questions on the test. And please remember, each question is worth 5% of the test because there's only 20 of them. So if you miss both of those, the highest you can get is 90% if you get everything else correct. So please make sure you have that formula and you know how to use it by the time we take the test.